Hello everyone, and welcome back to my redo of the FlyLady 31 Baby Steps. We are on my lucky number, day 23. I am flabbergasted that I am still going. I know there has been a lot of days that I have done some eye rolling. And yes, there are some things about this system that are not hitting strongly with me. But the overall system is impacting me immensely. And today we're going to talk about the afternoon routine. Now in the control journal, and this is kind of something, and she references, you can read her baby step, but our afternoon part of the control journal is really the things you'd want to get done in the afternoon. Maybe it be finish the laundry if you get home if you work outside the home. It might be coming home and getting your dinner started and making sure you kind of have that plan. Maybe it's getting some things prepped. Because her big thing on today is there's nothing worse than standing in front of the refrigerator at 6 o'clock trying to figure out what to cook for dinner. In order to relieve the daily stress, plan your menus for the week and write them on your calendar. This way, when someone asks what's for dinner, you can show them where to look. So the afternoon routine today specifically is kind of meal planning. Is what I am taking from her description. Now, of course, you can add whatever you want to the afternoon routine or to any routine because this is your system, and that is where we're really starting to get in the FlyLady. And a lot of you have made that comment that it's your system to create it how you want. But it's really not until today, day 23, or actually yesterday, day 22, that's really becoming apparent with the control journal and making it your own. Right now, this is my meal planning. I find recipes online, I get them printed, and then I stick them in this pile and they don't go anywhere. But I'm pretty excited to actually hone in and get the afternoon plan or the meal planning part of my day or my week more organized. And if I'm being very honest, one of the reasons I personally have been looking for a system like FlyLady is because I have struggled with when I'm stressed. So when I see clutter, when my house is in disarray, I feel stressed, and then I tend to not really eat that healthy or to have planned meals. So it's easy to just throw a pizza in the oven or just go and get takeout. One of the things I am trying to work on for myself is being more mindful about what I'm eating, what I'm feeding my family, everything like that. Overall, having a healthier lifestyle. And for me, I've always used excuses. I've told you I am the queen of excuses. For me, I've used, oh, well, I'm stressed out because the house is cluttered or whatever, to maybe not do that. And this is one of the reasons I was inspired to find a system so that excuse could be eliminated. And I know I've talked about it in a video before. I don't know where it was, but I have talked about it before. And I want to share, so I've got some footage for you from this morning. I woke up, got my coffee going, and when I started breakfast, it was so nice. My kitchen counter was clear. The dishes were the sink was empty aside from maybe a spoon or something that got used last night after the dishwasher had started. But I prepped a really healthy breakfast. It was so relaxing and I enjoyed it because my kitchen was cleared and I wasn't stressed out. Now yesterday I also decluttered the kitchen. So my countertops have even less stuff than normal. Of course, then we had to do a little grocery shopping for our family event. So now I have some different items on the counters, but that's just a temporary thing. Overall, I'm on day 23 and I cannot express how much I am seeing results. I'm not finished with the 31 days. I have less than 10 days to go. I am seeing results. I look forward to decluttering. I am feeling more energy in the morning. I am feeling more inspired to do other things. And I know I have rolled my eyes at different parts of this system, but the system is working for what I needed. And I am pretty excited about that. So we are on day 23. It's all about starting that afternoon routine. So for me, it's gonna be really to implement the afternoon routine, the meal planning. I think my part is gonna become more in when I actually do my grocery shopping, that kind of thing. So that's gonna be something that I don't think I can just implement today as easily as it was shine your sink or add the 2-minute hotspot. For me, it's gonna be a little bit more planning because I think that's just how my brain works when it comes to this, but I'm here for it. I'm ready to do it. And I really don't have any excuses that I don't have recipes because I've got the recipes. So I'm gonna be working on pulling that all together for my afternoon routine. So dinner is done. Anyway, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me. Oh, I wanted to add, I was doing my 5-minute room rescue downstairs yesterday and I said, oh, that fort is just gonna stay up, and then my husband and my son seem to be a little bit inspired to be helping out, and they decided that the fort, which is actually a sprinkler system that we use in the summer, could go back outside and be used as a sprinkler. So it is no longer downstairs. It is cleared out of that room, and they have been picking up and tidying along with me. Day 23, FlyLady is contagious. Suddenly we're a Fly family. It is feeling great. I hope you are enjoying this process right along with me. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I am fully taking the day off as much as possible because again, I have family coming, and I think a big part of this system is stopping and enjoying the moments. So that's what I plan on doing tomorrow. You guys will see me on Monday. He's ready to go. I gotta go get water balloons. Okay. See you later. See you later, guys.